Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello students, my name is Vaibhav Ramchandra Dongre. My college name is Zeal College of Engineering and Research Center, NARHE, Pune. I have participated in second year first PBL project activity from electrical department under the guidance of Professor S.S. Amle sir. My group members are Atharo Sanjay Dhumal, Aditya Bhimrao Dike, Manoj Dilip Doifude. Our project topic is Python program for compound interest. It is done from my side. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Atharo Dumal. My program name is Python 3 program to find compound interest for given values. Define compound interest bracket principal rate and time bracket complete. Hashtag calculate compound interest amount is equal to principal into bracket power bracket 1 plus rate upon 100 bracket complete and time ci is equal to amount minus principal print compound interest is ci drive code compound interest 1000 10.25 and 5 compound interest is 62.6288 process finished with exist code 0. This code is run under computer.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.